Welcome back guys to another new video on the Samsung S20 Ultra. So today I noticed I have my Samsung S20 Ultra. I notice it's giving me this vibrating sound. I'm not sure what it is, but most time when I shake the phone it might give me that vibrating sound. It don't happen so often, but I notice sometimes the phone shake, it's making that vibrating sound. So I can't hear now, I'm gonna let it hear it. So it's giving me that vibrating sound, and as soon as I shake it, I don't know if you can hear it going and coming. It don't happen all the time, so if you all know what's causing that problem, I don't know if it's how they designed the phone, but what you can do, I'll leave a comment and tell me what you guys think in the comment section. What you think causing the problem. So now the sound stop when I shake it. Whatever I do, shake it again. Here we go again. So I'm not sure if some sensors causing it or what, but let me know what you think in the comment section. What you think causing it, if some sensors or how they design the phone, or if there's a problem. I'm not sure, so let me know what you think in the comment section. And thank you all for watching, and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.